Hi everyone, this is Caroline here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 types of crystals that you can use to move stuck energy. Crystals that you can use to unblock stuck energy. Because there are many people who are finding themselves stuck in different kinds of life situations, and we gotta move that energy. If we have spiritual tools, we gotta use those spiritual tools to help us move that energy. And that's what I'm gonna be talking about. Man, people are stuck in relationships. People are stuck in jobs that they don't like. People are stuck in their mindsets. People are stuck in their attitudes. People are stuck in their chakras. People are blocked, in different kinds of ways. People are stuck in situations where they feel they can't get out because they perceive that someone or something has some power over them. People are stuck in some responsibilities that they don't want. There are some people who unfortunately are stuck because of some physical or mental or emotional situation that's going on in their lives. And some people are stuck just because they don't know what to do next. So there are many reasons why people are stuck. There are many reasons why people are blocked. And believe me, I'm not exempt from this. I know exactly what this thing means. I too am always falling in and out of stuck situations. I've just gotten better over the years, but I too am always falling in and out of these stuck situations. And because of this, I appreciate the importance of moving, releasing and blocking stuck energy. And that's why I'm really happy to talk about these 5 types of crystals, because I know they're going to be useful for someone in helping to unblock that energy and move that energy so that people can get up and popping just the way we want it. We want to live life to the fullest, and we cannot afford to stay stuck. We just can't be blocked. We just can't be backed up. We need to release that energy, right? Okay, before I talk about those 5 crystals, I just want to mention that if you want to clear or unblock any stuck energy in your physical body or on your chakra, if you're having or experiencing any kind of problems with your chakras and you know it, is to make sure that the crystals that you're going to be working with are placed on your physical body or touching on any point of your physical body. So that means maybe you'll either have to lay down and place the crystals on your body, or you're going to walk around with crystal jewelry that represents a movement of energy. And I'm going to tell you what type of crystals those are in just a second. And by the way, if you're not working with these crystals to move energy in your physical body, and you just want to work with them to move energy, maybe in your space or maybe in an environment or around a particular situation or subject matter that is experiencing stuckness, you can use this energy moving, energy unblocking, energy releasing crystals in a crystal grid, or you can move the stuck energy using these crystals through your consciousness to shift situations in the way that you want it, so that there's a movement that allows you to move into the next step of whatever it is that you want, which is something beneficial. Okay? Yeah? It's gotta be beneficial. It's gotta be good things. We are here to do good things. Good things. That's what we want. So the first type of crystal that you can use to move energy are crystals with visible lines of direction in them. Crystals with visible lines of direction in them, like selenite. You can see the visible lines of direction. They provide some form of directionality to whatever it is that you want. So because this gypsum selenite has directional lines within it, you can use it to move energy in whichever direction you want it. If you want the energy to move towards your head, you can work with selenite crystals. Why? Because maybe you're feeling blocked upstairs. Maybe you're feeling like your third eye is blocked, or maybe you're feeling like your crown chakra is blocked. Maybe you're feeling that your mind is blocked. Maybe you're feeling that something up here is blocked. Your throat chakra is blocked. Your heart is blocked. Depending on the position, you can use selenite crystal to move energy in a particular direction. And many people have different kinds of pieces, including these very common ones that we see almost everywhere. And then also crystals like black tourmaline, like this one with striations, which are directional lines, is also a good one for moving energy. This is one of my favorite crystals. Very, very powerful. So it's also a good one for moving energy. And also crystals like quartz with points like this one, which also have directional lines, are also very, very good at moving energy in a particular direction. So you can use that on your body or on your physical space or wherever you want. The bottom line is we got to get the energy moving. Okay, the second type of crystal that you can use to move blocked energy are terminated crystals. Crystals with terminated points. And with these types of terminated crystals, you want to make sure that the tips are clean and unbroken, that the terminations are clean and unbroken, and that the crystal has natural termination points, like this one here. You know, natural crystal with natural terminations, clean and unbroken. There are so many that are perfectly cut. I'm sure you've seen them. I have another one here, like this one. It has like a perfect termination, but this is not what you want to use. You want to use a crystal that already has within its matrix the visible directional lines, and not these other crystals that have been cut into a termination point or that have been cut into a specific shape. You want to keep it all natural. Why? Because you've got energy to move. So anyway, the important thing is that you don't want to have the energy scattered. You want it to be focused in a particular direction, and that's why you need to have an unbroken tip. And then also, if you have to wear the crystal on your body, you want to make sure, first of all, that it's a quartz crystal, because quartz crystals have natural terminations, and thankfully they're all over the place. They're easy to find, and they're usually very, very affordable. And the size of the quartz crystal you're working with doesn't matter, so don't even worry about it. All you have to do if you want to move the energy is to place the crystal that you have either on your body with the termination facing upward, or wear the crystal as a jewelry pendant with the termination facing upward, and this will move energy upward. So if you're blocked in any area upward, then it moves the energy. Or you place the crystal on your body facing downward, and the energy will move and open up those lower chakras and whatever issues those chakras are all about. So it really also helps to know what kind of issues each chakra is about, just to give you an idea of what you might be working with or what you might be unblocking when you're working with these crystal energies. And then you can also work with a double terminated crystal, which is a quartz crystal with 2 terminations on either point, to help you move blocked energy up and down your physical body and to just clear that stuff out so you can get moving. Double terminated crystals are just awesome. Okay, the third type of crystal that you can use to move blocked energy are crystals with a water content. You know, water is an excellent conductor of energy, and so any movement of stuck energy can be greatly affected by the amount of water in a particular crystal. So since our emotions, our feelings are water-based energies, if you're experiencing a situation where your emotions are blocked, for example, in situations where you can't speak out, where you can't speak your truth, where you can't express yourself, where you can't open your heart, you can use crystals that have a high water content to move that energy out, to unblock that stuck emotion, that stuck feeling. And for these blocked emotions, you can work with crystals like apophylites, you can work with anhydro quartz, which has water inside, or you can also work with opals. And a good way to work with these water-based crystals for emotions is to hold them in the palm of your hands for energy movement. Okay, the fourth type of crystals that you can use for unblocking stuck energy are copper-based crystals, which are great for conducting electricity and great for circulation. Copper is just so wonderful for this. So those bluish-greenish crystals like malachite and chrysocolla and even blue azurite are wonderful copper-based crystals for moving energy. So consider working with them if you're feeling stuck. And the fifth type of crystal to use to move blocked energy are crystals with a penetration. Crystals that penetrate other crystals, like this one here. A lot of these quartz crystals have very interesting designs. So you'll find that one crystal has so much power, it just goes and penetrates another one, it clears the energy, it unblocks the energy, you know what I mean? So just by looking at a crystal, you can tell what type of crystal to use for what. Any crystal that has the ability and the power to penetrate another crystal and move to the other side is a powerful crystal to unblock energy. So, crystal lovers, let us all use these spiritual tools to our advantage. Let's not keep these tools and not use them. We have them for a purpose. Let's use them. They're here to assist us. Okay. If you have any questions about how to use your spiritual tools, send me an email, caroline@crystalstock.com. I offer private one-on-one consultations. And in the meantime, let me know how you're using your crystals to unblock energy. Which particular crystal have you found to be your favorite one for unblocking energy? In the comment section below, leave me a comment. I'd like to know. In the meantime, I love you guys.